Got a little water in your iPhone? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the water out and save your phone. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is keep your phone upright. That's because water can get into your speaker and charging port and you don't want those to get damaged. Grab a microfiber cloth or any soft cloth and gently dab and tap the phone to get any excess water out. You don't need to overdo it, just a few light taps will help push some of the water out. Now for the coolest part, using sound to eject the water. Head to the App Store and search for Water Eject. Get this app right here. When you open it, you'll see a button to start the process. The app will play a low frequency sound that you might not even hear, but is vibrating your phone and forcing the water out. Make sure to keep your phone upright during this process so gravity can do its work. Step number 3. Once the water is ejected, it's time to dry your phone. This is a crucial step. You need to be careful. Do not use heat. Putting your phone on a heater or with a hairdryer can damage the internal components. Instead, use a fan. The airflow will help dry out any remaining moisture inside your phone without causing damage. Just prop your phone up in front of a small fan for a while. This is the most important step of all. Turn your phone off immediately and leave it off. You should let your phone dry out for at least 24 to 48 hours. This gives any hidden moisture time to evaporate. To turn it off, just hold the volume up and side button or go into your settings and slide to power off. And here's the biggest warning, do not charge it. Plugging in a wet phone can cause a short circuit and completely fry the device. But following these steps, you'll give your iPhone the best chance of survival. Hopefully after a day or two, your phone will be back to working perfectly. Ever wonder what the purchase date of your iPhone is? Check out this video to find out.